Hello warriors. Today we start with science. I'll be covering science through NCERTs. We start with Standard 6, Chapter 1, Food. Where does it come from? So, let's start. What is food? Food is a source of energy. कौन सा energy है? Chemical energy. What is the sources of energy? There are mainly two sources, renewable and non-renewable. Under renewable sources, there are sun, wind, biomass, water, and geothermal energy. Under non-renewable, there are coal, oil, natural gas, and nuclear energy. What is sun? It is mainly solar energy. What is wind? It is wind turbines that are run. These are the wind turbines. These run through the wind in circular motion and generate energy. Solar panels are used. These solar panels connect the photon energy that is from the sun and convert it into electric energy. Biomass. What is used in biomass? Cow dung and wood is used for heat and power production. Water, hydropower. पानी ऊपर से नीचे गिरता है, उसी एनर्जी को यूज करता है. Next is geothermal. Uses thermal energy from Earth's interior. The Earth's interior is a hot area. So we use the thermal energy from the interior to generate other sources of energy. Coming to the non-renewable, there are coal. Plants go under the soil and after many years, coal is formed. Oil. What is oil? Mainly crude oil, which are petroleum and its products, and natural gas. Coal, oil, and natural gas are all considered fossil fuels. Crude oil is a liquid fossil fuel. Plants, animals, fish are buried under the sea between rocks. Natural gas is found below the Earth's crust. Nuclear energy, mainly uranium. Due to nuclear fusion, energy is generated. One thing is for sure, energy can neither be created nor destroyed. It can only be converted. इसका मतलब है it can only be converted from one form of energy to another. This is an example of fossil fuel and this is of biomass. Coming to the next part, sources available for us humans to eat are mainly plants and animals. These are some of the plant sources and these are some of the animal sources. What are herbivores? Herbivores वो है जो plants, herbs, छोटे पौधे जो herbs होते हैं and normal plants are herbivores. Carnivores are those who eat meat or animals. This deer is eating a grass, so he is herbivore. This animal is eating another animal, so he is carnivore. This is a Venus flytrap. This is a carnivore plant. It traps insects inside it and eats them. We humans, though we have a choice, are omnivores who eat both plants and animals. The next page. We eat fruits of some plants, sometimes roots, and sometimes stems, and even flowers. Some plants have two or more edible, that is eatable parts. अब स्प्राउटिंग तो बहुत लोगों को पता ही होगा. मूंग या चना दाल को एक छोटे बर्तन में डालते हैं, फिर पानी भरते हैं, पानी निकाल के कपड़े में बांध के रख देते हैं. अगले दिन वाइट ग्रोथ दिखाई देता है. ये पिक्चर में हमें क्लियरली दिखाई दे रहा है. ये जो वाइट कलर का चीज ग्रो होता है, दिस प्रोसेस इज कॉल्ड स्प्राउटिंग. अब थोड़ा हनी के बारे में पढ़ लेते हैं. सो व्हाट इज हनी? Bees collect nectar, which is sweet juices from flowers, and convert it into honey. Flower plus nectar is equal to the sugary liquid, that is the sweet juices in the plants. नेक्टर एंड pollen grains plus enzymes makes honey। तो ये पूरा प्रोसेस है हनी फॉर्मेशन का। हमारे इंडिया में अलग अलग जगह पे अलग अलग वेरिएशन मिलता है फूड का। साउथ में many items made of rice जैसे कि इडली, डोसा, and north there are many items chapati, puri। What is photosynthesis? Photosynthesis में sun का energy is converted into chemical energy। ये photosynthesis का equation है। 6CO2 which is carbon dioxide plus 6H2O which is water after the process of photosynthesis is converted into C6H12O6 which is glucose and 6O2 which is oxygen। अब यहाँ जो ऑक्सीजन रिलीज होता है it comes from the water over here। In the entire world the rate of photosynthesis is greater than the rate of respiration। मतलब फोटोसिंथेसिस जितना भी होता है प्लांट्स, ट्रीज, वो हमारे ह्यूमंस के रेस्पिरेशन से ज़्यादा ही होता है, इसलिए ऑक्सीजन सप्लाई इज मोर। अब ये डायग्राम पे आता है। सो व्हाट इज नोड? नोड ये पार्ट है जहाँ लीव का जो स्टेम होता है वो मेन स्टेम से अटैच होता है। व्हाट इज इंटरनोड? ये एक नोड, यहाँ एक नोड, ये दोनों के बीच का पार्ट है इंटरनोड। प्राइमरी रूट क्या होता है? तो जो ऊपर आता है वो है प्राइमरी, जो फर्स्ट आता है वो है प्राइमरी रूट। सेकेंडरी जो है सेकेंड, जो नीचे आता है वो सेकेंडरी रूट। सेकेंडरी रूट इज अ बिट डीपर, प्राइमरी रूट इज नियर द सरफेस और द टॉप सॉइल। आप सबका फीडबैक इंपॉर्टेंट है मेरे लिए, इसलिए कुछ भी हो मेरे ईमेल आईडी पर कनेक्ट करना। जॉइन माय टेलीग्राम चैनल फॉर मोर अपडेट्स। थैंक यू। जय हिंद।